Hello friends, welcome back to Mathematics Olympiad class. So today we are going to treat the exercises the question I gave as exercises. So the first one says square root of 6 raised to power x divided by 4 equals square root of 3 raised to power x. Now from here we have the square root on the 6 raised to power x divided by 4. We use it, we'll find the square root of 4, that is 2, that's the denominator. Then the square root on the 6 raised to power x will now become times 1 over 2. So we have 6 raised to power x times 1 over 2, which is same thing as square root of 6 raised to power x, then divided by 4. We've already gotten the square root of 4 to be 2. That's why it's dividing by 2 now, no more 4. Then equals 3 raised to power x times 1 over 2. That is the square root on the 3 raised to power x is the one we are using to multiply, and the one that changes to 1 over 2. So we now have 6 raised to power x over 2, that is x times 1 over 2 will give us x over 2. That's 6 raised to power x over 2 over, then divided by 2 again, equals 3 raised to power x over 2. So we have 6 raised to power x over 2 divided by 2 equals 3 raised to power x over 2. Then if we factor out 6 as 2 times 3, then raised to power x over 2 equals 3 raised to power x over 2. That is 2 times 3 raised to power x over 2 divided by 2 again equals 3 raised to power x over 2. This will give us 3 raised to power x over 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power x over 2. That is, if we open the bracket and then give the power to each of them, they are all divided by 2 equals 3 raised to power x over 2. So the 3 raised to power x over 2 at the left side, we divide the 3 raised to power x over 2 at the right side of the equal sign. So we now have 2 raised to power x over 2, then divided by 2 equals 1 left. So if we cross multiply, we have 2 raised to power x over 2 equals 2. Then since we have the same base here, and the 2 at the right side of equal sign is 2 raised to power 1, we can just equate the power and then have x over 2 equals 1. The base cancels the base, so we have x, if we cross multiply, we have x equals 2. Question number 2, we have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 3 equals 9. Since 2 raised to power x plus 3 equals 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power 3, then we can just slot that in, and then have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power 3 equals 9. So since they have 2 raised to power x as common factors, we can factor out 2 raised to power x. Then that will now we will left with 1 plus 1 times 8 in bracket equals 9. Then 1 times 8 is 8, so 2 raised to power x 1 plus 8 equals 9. That will now give us 2 raised to power x into bracket 9, or multiply by 9 equals 9. Then if you divide both sides by 9, which is the coefficient of 2 raised to power x, then we have 2 raised to power x times 9 over 9 equals 9 over 9. Now we cancel 9 at the left and the right side, so we have 2 raised to power x equals 1. So if 2 raised to power x is 1, and we know that 2 raised to power 0 is 1 as well, we can just replace 1 with 2 raised to power 0 so that they have the same base. So that the base will cancel each other, then we have x equals 0. So the last question says x raised to power 2, x raised to power 6 is equals 3. We have to find x. So let x raised to power 6 be p. So if you plug in p as x raised to power 6 there, and we know that x raised to power 6 times 1 over 6 will still give us x. That is, 6 we cancel, 6 will still give us x. And x raised to power 6 is p. That means x equals p raised to power 1 over 6. So we now have p raised to power 1 over 6 2p raised to power 2p rather equals 3, because x raised to power 6 is p, so 2x raised to power 6 will be 2p. So we have p raised to power 2p over 6 equals 3. Then 2 here 1, 2 is 6, 3. So we have p raised to power p over 3 equals 3. So if you multiply both powers by 3, we have p raised to power p equals 3 raised to power 3. And if a raised to power a equals b raised to power b, that means a equals b. So p equals 3. So if p is 3 and our x raised to power 6 is also p, then we can just equate x raised to power 6 equals 3. So if we find the 6th root of both sides, we have 6th root of x raised to power 6 equals 6th root of 3. Then the 6th root we cancel this power 6 on the x, so we have x equals 6th root of 3. So we have some exercises here. Number 1 is 22 root of 121 equals x root x. X root of x. Then number 2, x raised to power 3 equals 3. So we have to find the value of x. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to share the video with your friends, and click the like and the notification and subscription button. Till we meet next class.